Welcome! In this Help for YouTube Creators video, I'm showing you how to make a playlist. In order to access the playlist area, under Creator Studio, you will find it secondly under Video Manager. Clicking on Playlist will bring you to this page. If you don't yet have any playlist, there will just be a 0 here and the page will be blank. Up at the top here, you'll see New Playlist, which you click on. Playlist title, I'm going to make a playlist titled All About Coal Forges. I'm going to make this private until I have it complete, and I'm going to press Create. It will take me into a page where I can add the videos and other content that I want to be in this particular playlist. Now, as it says here, there's no videos in it and it's updated to date. So here by Edit, I'll click that and it will open it up where I can add videos. Now, over here on the side, we're going to go ahead and press Add Videos, and this is where you'll be able to add a selection of your videos or other creators' videos as well. Now, I'm going to go under Your YouTube Videos, and that's going to load in the videos from our channel. And I'm going to try to scroll through and see if I can find a few that are relating to the coal forge. As you know, that'll take too long because we have so many videos. Instead, I'm going to type in Christ-centered forge coal, Christ-centered ironworks, and then type in coal, and that should bring up specifically the content we've come out that's related to a coal forge. So there is a few. Let's see, coal forge versus gas forge, I'll add that. Coal fire shutdown, coal swab, we'll add that in there as well. We'll do the lazy man's way of starting a coal fire, the importance of packing your coal fire. Let's see, how much coal should you buy? Sure, why not? We'll add that one in there too. And I'm going to, let's see, I want to add the coal forge ones in there too. How to build that, like for some reason they kind of got spread apart, so I'll try to add that in there as well. So I'm selecting all these different videos that can go in this playlist, and these are, so the ones I've added so far have been just videos specifically from our channel, but you can add additional videos from other people's channel, and there's a couple of ways you can do that. So there it's loaded in all the ones I had just selected, and I can also go add videos, and if I want to add videos from other people's channel, I can do this. I can use the search option up there to do a video search for coal forges, or more specifically perhaps maintaining a coal forge, and we'll see what comes up for that result. Let's see here, and it helps if you've watched the videos before. I think this one's a John Switzer one, this one's DF. Let's see, this one is, let's see, I'm gonna go over here for a second, Joey Van Deerstig, I believe, so I'll add that one too. So you can do that, and then you can press Add Videos, and that'll add those in as well, and it'll add them to the bottom. There we go, it loaded them in and added it down there. And then let's say we want to add a few more. So we're going to go to Add Videos. I'm going to show you another way to do this. So we've done the video search, and then we've done the one that says Your YouTube Videos that shows from your selection. And I'm going to show you what the URL option is. So that's where you add a link specifically from somebody's video. So let's say I've just opened another tab here. If you're not familiar with how you do that, it's just these extra little things here that says New Tab, and you click on it, and it'll just allows you to see another page. So I've opened this new tab, I've gone to YouTube, and I was doing a search through the videos where I could look at some of these different videos. Now I'm going to look at this one, how to manage a coal fire, and it's going to load this up for me. And what I'm going to do is up at the top, see how I've clicked on this and it selects the whole thing, and I can go to copy, and then I go back to the other page and I can paste the link in this URL section, and then it loads it there, and I just press add videos. So now that I've added all these videos, I'm up to 15 videos total, and this is a combination of our videos here at Christ Centered Ironworks and a few other creators that have come out with some good coal fire maintenance videos. Now, this is still a private playlist. There's a few more things you need to do before making it go live. So one thing here, add a description. You're going to want to add a description using some keywords. Here, I'm just typing up a little description. You can go, several sentences would probably be best, but I wrote, in this playlist, we cover all topics relating to the uses of a coal forge and maintenance involved. And then you just click off to the side and it saves the wording there. And that is, so it's pretty much ready to go. If I go under playlist settings now, there's a few things you can do here that make it handy. So down here you can do ordering. It can be manual, or you can have it be in different orders by most popular or things of that nature. And then you can also select for new videos to be added to the top of the playlist. So that's a good thing. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then under auto add, you can set a rule where things will automatically be added to this playlist. Now this is videos from your own pile. So you can do it where the title contains, we're going to go coal forge, or just it can be also or in the description or in the tags. So I'm going to put tag, so any tag that has coal forge in it from among our pile of videos is going to get added automatically. And if I go ahead and press save, it will give you a notification that says, okay, you have one recent video that matches the rule to this playlist, and I can check mark if I want to add it or not. And I'm not going to, I'm just going to press done. So another couple other little things you can do here with you can do with your playlist is if you want to set one of these particular thumbnails as the main thumbnail, you can press more next to the video and you can go set as playlist thumbnail. And so no matter where this particular video falls throughout the list, that is going to be the picture that is shown for the playlist. So that is just a handy little thing to know. Additionally, under the more feature here, you can select to move certain videos to the top or bottom of the list, and you can even add some notes. So this playlist is complete. Right here it's showing locked, so I'm going to go ahead, go back into the playlist settings, and I'm going to make this, let's see, not manual, up here the playlist privacy, I'm going to make this a public playlist now. So I'm going to press save, and now this playlist is live. So anybody who comes to our channel and looks under playlist will see this. So I'm going to go back now just to our home page here under Christ Centered Ironworks. I'm going to take a look at this. Instead of viewing it as myself, I'm going to be viewing it as a new visitor and see how this gets shown here. So there's our featured video, and then I have several different lists going through here. One of the ones we have here is created playlist. It looks like this playlist is too new that it hasn't yet added it. But if people come to our channel and then they go over to playlist, it should appear there. And there it is, all about coal forges. It's got the 15 videos, and anybody who clicks on that, they will be able to see all of these different videos that's been added. So that's how you make a playlist. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comments below. Creating playlist is very helpful if you are a YouTube creator. This is a great way of organizing your video content and directing people from your channel to check out other videos that are maybe helpful to them. And I'm going to be creating another video similar to this one that's going to be 3 ways that you can get your watch time up. So make sure that if you're interested, you check out our Help for YouTube Creators playlist. The link will be in the description below. And thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day.